If you are planning to move to Liverpool for your studies, we've got your back with this wonderful student house. Once it was a hospital where Beatles legend John Lennon was born, and now it is home to more than 200 students. Meet Lennon Studio, a property that offers fully furnished quality shared flats, en-suite and studio rooms. You can choose to live in a shared flat with a shared bathroom or an en-suite room that comes with a private bathroom. Opt for a studio room if you love having the place all to yourself, since it comes with a private bathroom, kitchen, and living space. Lennon Studios is a part of the student village of over 1,000 students and has a speedy Wi-Fi connection, on-site laundry service, and paid parking areas. The property is 6 minutes away from the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University. Just around the corner, there are 2 cathedrals, lots of great food, cafes, and exciting nightlife to look forward to. Having 2 major train stations around makes the commute a lot easier. With all said, the property comes with some great amenities and a convenient location to begin your student life. To book this place, head to amberstudent.com today or watch our other videos to explore interesting student accommodations in Liverpool.